If your smart TV feels not so smart anymore, it's probably time for an upgrade. Today's Android TV boxes turn any screen into a powerhouse, giving you faster streaming, better visuals, and smarter controls. So here are the top 5 best Android TV boxes of 2026, from premium performance beasts to compact plug-and-play streamers. Starting strong with the NVIDIA Shield Android TV Pro, still the gold standard for performance. This box packs AI-enhanced 4K upscaling, Dolby Vision and Atmos, and GeForce Now cloud gaming, so you can stream or play at ultra-high quality. Powered by NVIDIA's Tegra X1 Plus processor, it handles everything from live sports to high-end gaming without breaking a sweat. It's compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa, offers 2 USB ports for external storage, and supports Plex, Kodi, and all major streaming apps. If you want the best all-around Android TV experience, this is it. Check the description below for the latest NVIDIA Shield Pro link. Next up, the Google TV Streamer 4K, Google's new compact powerhouse. This little device delivers 4K HDR, streaming, a voice search remote, and a smooth Google TV interface with personalized recommendations. You get 32 gigabytes of internal storage, so you can install plenty of apps, and it doubles as a smart home control hub. It's perfect if you want a clean, fast streaming experience with no bloat, and everything synced with your Google ecosystem. Find the Google TV Streamer 4K link in the description below. At number 3, the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K 2026 edition, now powered by AI-enhanced Fire TV search. It's faster, smarter, and supports Wi-Fi 6 for ultra-stable streaming. You can watch over 1.8 million movies and shows, plus free live TV channels, all controlled with Alexa. The new interface learns your viewing habits to recommend what you'll actually watch, not random stuff. It's simple, compact, and the perfect upgrade for anyone deep in the Amazon ecosystem. Check the description below for the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K link. Now for the Xiaomi TV Box S, 2nd gen, an excellent budget-friendly option that punches way above its price. It supports 4K Ultra HD, Dolby Vision, HDR 10+, Dolby Audio, and DTS HD, delivering seriously rich visuals and sound for movie lovers. Inside, you get 2 gigabytes of RAM and 8 gigabytes of storage, running on the latest Google TV interface with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi support. It even includes Bluetooth 5.2, making it easy to connect wireless headphones or speakers. If you're looking for smooth performance at a great price, this one's hard to beat. Find the Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd generation link in the description below. Finally, the TiVo Stream 4K, a smart little device that brings everything together. It unifies all your streaming apps and live TV channels into one simple interface, so you spend less time searching and more time watching. Powered by Android TV, it supports 4K UHD, Dolby Vision, HDR, and Dolby Atmos for an immersive experience. You get a responsive remote with Google Assistant, making it easy to search shows, control smart lights, or even check the weather. Compact, affordable, and intuitive, it's a great pick for casual streamers and families. Check the description below for the TiVo Stream 4K link. All of these Android TV boxes are linked below, so check them out for the latest deals and availability. Like and subscribe for more tech roundups every week, and tell me, which one would you hook up to your setup?